Hey everybody, what's up? It's your boy Han, and today I'm back with another video. Today here we have some heavy duty pliers. And then right here I have a peppermint, and by the title of the video you can see that it's just about to be epic. So let's take the peppermint. Let's unwrap it here. Okay. So I just unwrapped the peppermint. Let's just put that right there. Let's get the pliers. Alright, now I'm going to do this quick. I gotta put the peppermint right there. Alright. And now I've got that. On the count of 3, I'm gonna bust it open right here. You'll see it though. Alright, 3, 2, 1. No, 3, 2, 1. Alright, here we need to do this over here on the concrete, on the the steps here. Let's do one right here. Alright, 3, right here, let's do it this way. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Woohoo! Oh my god. Let me put these pliers back and I'll show you the remains of the peppermint. Oh my god, he just got destroyed. I'm gonna run over there. So right here is the remains of the peppermint. Yeah. Peppermint destruction. Oh my god. If I can just. Oh my god. Destroyed. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everybody, leave a like, subscribe, comment what you thought about the video. TV inside there. Comment what you thought about the video and share this. Make sure you're subscribed to my gaming channel, Ninja Han. Make sure you subscribe to this one too. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.